Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. First time at your channel, please go subscribe. Big up Indian Panny Earth Strong. 70 today. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, man. Burn it down to the ground. Watch a movie here. Tell me what you think about it. You know what I mean? It's a real situation. What would you do? It was you.
Well, it mean nothing. Well, it mean nothing.
Jammiwood Studios. Love is real.
That take me heart out of my chest and give to you, give to you. Anytime you're around me, I make you happy, never make you blue, never make you blue. Now I believe when I'm said, love is true, love is true. You have me thinking about you, thinking of, you got me thinking about you. You got me dreaming about you. Now my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. And I walk through the forest just to get to you. I even walk on a crocodile back. I even climb in the treetop just for you. Take a bullet, run with a grenade. I die for you. This is true love. You have me feeling some sort of way, girl. What you doing to me? Got my heart singing. Let love be free.
Good dirty boy, I see. What one?
Oh, you look so.
That little crosses boy when me have
pass over here.
fight me and the little dirty boy they fight. Lick out the window, all the rake, see rake here. Abuse me if you say I'm broke it on him.
Take one now. What not fight for?
Little dirty boy not give me no money.
You could have left him long
Not
time.
even dollar.
Me say left the boy long time. You think no boy can't come there with me and give me no money? As you see, as I say how you like, you have to give me money. You have to like me with money behind it.
Right now, me don't know what else to do. Me don't know what else to do.
Left him and
He mash up the people them place so me have to go replace the window, you know. And he not help me, you know.
You have it hard.
Me have it hard. Me have it hard. You soon if me have it hard. You sick and tired of the dirty boy, you know, man.
So what you have to do now?
I don't know what me I do.
Left him.
All I see me tell a person, I think when me I go get money now, buy back the tree blade, then me I say no.
The one day, not go to the one day. You can't put in the one day. I'm buy two.
So where you see I go on now?
I'm not going to check me. You know, same. At some million I tell you to follow me go, but boy, you know, look like you have no good state to follow me
So
go.
where you go?
Money mission, man. Money mission. Money mission.
So me I get money out of it? You want me follow you go for money mission? Me I get money?
No. If you want money, you look at one man to give you money.
Anyways, you get the knife for girl. Man give bag?
Man, buy bag.
I say you go on. You have to go teach me.
Who be teach you? You older than me, you know. You're there on this land before me. You're supposed to know if a con man long before me.
Well,
But no, you as I see your foot them up, you know. And see that boy not give you nothing now. All the thing man I give you a lick and sex. That's all. I don't think about your sacrifice.
Enough of that.
Enough
Well,
of
I'm to him, man, where you make Ghana jail.
Which man? No money at all.
What you mean by you know about? You
Which
know
man?
fit happy? You fit happy.
Listen to me. I said that I wanted something.
Hello.
And you couldn't give it.
You know how me look for you?
What you look for me for?
The time for last week, me look for you.
For why? What you look for me
My
for?
brother behind bars.
And what does that have to do with me?
Are you in house right now?
Me?
There.
How come?
Sending the tea for your house right.
Me saying what if?
Yeah.
Me telling your brother say me want something and him don't have the money, so him go get the money and try go give me and my family feed the behind bars. And you want woman say supposed to provide for woman. That's not my problem.
Everything you want, the man do it.
Ah, what that have to do with me?
That's when the tea for you.
And I'm saying him go do it. Me tell him say me short or something and him go thief it, can't go give it to me. I never say go jump through one window, go jump one fence, I go grab bank and him say that.
Lisa Bagya. And
I
I
keep
say
him
no.
bad.
No, a different man money buy this baby girl.
No.
Don't do it. Don't do this. A different man. Hello. I want new man to make money buy this.
So, let me ask you something. So you see when your brother thief Lisa Bagya?
No, not this about money. If you can't come give me money.
Oh, you use the money and buy the bag.
No, Mr. Girl, a different man money buy this.
So where you really come for, girl? Can you come in my yard well?
And she make my brother thief for get everything what she want.
I know your brother they behind bar, so
So
we
where you
should
come
about it.
out?
Don't look for him.
Who if we go look for him?
No, you.
Oh, okay, I'm no prison man.
You know, say one wicked girl, you know.
Who wicked?
But there one brother about you, know, there want him, you know. You're not one nice person. Find look for you, find 8 to 2, you're not one nice person.
I want to have to do with me.
But tell you, so put up one dirty girl like that, you know.
Yeah, I mean, I call it again.
You know, most of your ways.
Check your brother. And your brother got teeth, right? Make him dirty. And dirty like your mouth.
That's why you have
Don't
to-
start with me.
you- you-
Don't start. Who's so catchy?
No, most of you.
You go give me it. You go catch it first and give me almost that. Who find from me?
Who find-
Cup of color. Watch him.
Look on you too.
Watch him.
Where? Your fat sale.
Yellow bird.
Then me not understand this a girl, yeah. Well, walk, spicy.
In a people yard.
Come in a people yard and can't cuss and can't fight.
You can't do a chat good.
Watch me out.
Mama say what?
No laugh.
No,
But no,
sir.
come back. Come back.
What happened?
You really let the man up and road a thief to care can't give you?
The man say he want woman, right? And the man look me and broke. So I said, listen, me, I have to find a way to provide for me. So I'm going to take money and care can't give me. I never said I'm going to say you have to find a way else that can't get me. And you want me saying go to you, sorry.
No, you have to stop it. Alia, you have to stop it.
And you need me stop it. That's why man over here lick out the nastiness now.
Me did tell her say man over here look out me nastiness. Eh?
Then I went
Me and the man fight.
Three of the window then gone. And me know you get beat up. Me know you.
Alright, me get beat
me
up.
know.
You said me get beat up. But Alia, you stoop so low for make man a thief again. Before you say me man go work or you go work.
Me exactly stand. Who want me stoop so low and I know me thief?
But are you telling man, basically you telling man to buy all
Hello,
these
if no police come to me right now, officer, the man carry money come give me, I don't know where he get it from. Me don't know nothing about it.
So that means say, all Mass John good. I him good the TV.
Me don't know, me not care.
You? Anyway,
Oh,
where you want?
you have to
Where
wait
you
up.
want?
I'm going to see someone me the way for I'm going to call it 100,000 right there. Yeah. Some the way. Don't no. No, you can't have about coming up. Because your man be. Not even one lucky can buy for you. Oh, where you go?
Me want you.
Come on.
Where's the way I go to?
Listen me now. The reason why I care, you know, I say black traffic, you know. Because I don't want this a dirty boy I go talk when you want nothing. So say anything go on as in slippy inside.
So suppose you carry me if you go black traffic and the man go it away.
Go through the right way. That's why look how you're big, you know how yours. Me say anything you do, and we take your whole life money and run off.
Girl, me know me big and strong, right? But me is a woman way. have a weak spot. So next thing the man go touch the weak spot, what go happen? Me go have to give him some. Me legs are go up no like a close fit.
I just say man out there beat because he touch you already for upping up.
Ali, you know something like a style. Me
You need to buy toys me use, you know. Cause me nah give no man my something, you know.
Then
If
so
one
other
man
life,
I
they are
get
that
it,
with
if
you.
one man I get it, no 3, no 4, no 5. Come on, watch, come on. No 1, no 4, no 5, no.
Take her to me.
Come on. Where you heard me for? Just see me I walk.
Or the fried man.
The man wanna come and eat that you're blind.
Tell about it that. You must think I'm in the analyze. They're sure nobody not sure me.
Chill with it. Brother, how you think I first made do this?
It might be a loss. And we might just get involved in your slackness. How much money I get?
I quote me out point me just grab up something. No, but me grab up something. I tell them me I charge you grab up you know. And I ain't this. So what kind?
Me could have never left my no. Me could have never left my yard.
Girl, imagine you broke and no money I make you $100 US now. 15,000 on this now?
Ali, this unfair.
30.
Split it half in the middle.
After that, which one I'm going for your man and man.
Sorry, next time go there. I'm still grateful.
You ain't had no one me give 30,000. You ain't had none.
Next time go there. Know yourself.
You can't replace the window them now.
So anyways, so you can give me a link. That's no problem.
You have a man see your face, you want to walk on it?
So you're done with him now? You know say I sit me normally do?
Yes, cause he that thinking, don't me have to get one other girl to come with me.
One minute.
Cause he see and he go say you way up to funny see me and you come. You understand? And the first girl me care over there now. I want to eat that money, no sense.
Go on. Till the man analyze you.
The man not no sense, girl. The man have this heap of money children and he don't have no picnic for eat. I mean, don't if done this I work properly. I'm not intent for raise no dead. I am not Jesus. I cannot raise the dead. I don't intend to.
All you need to do is just rub down your man and make him man feel nice. I can't continue the teeth man money.
Yes, you're ugly.
No, it's true.
So all my problem. You're mad. You don't want me to stop but me smoke with a stick.
Salia, what really going in the room? Because you tell me to give you 10 minutes. The only man gone in the room. What really going in there?
Yeah, me think someone get something. Well, act like me I take off just to, you know. And think so hold on there. Go and go fresh up first, man, and come back. And me just beat them more if you just beat them. When you go in the bathroom, go fresh up, me just grab money and then grab your hands and run, girl.
No, I think I give man peace and something, you know. And when we are walking here, you tell me if you hurry up and something.
No.
They tell me if you hurry up when we are come to your yard. And when you reach from the road, you stop running.
You come in when you not go follow me kind of, so that's something we normally do.
You have to tap you.
You not go
You
follow
come
me.
like you walk good up and the man make him man full.
The man just not have no sense, so man just born fit fool.
A man full no, but one day more wise up, but I hope I know me and
Oh,
you go
they
next time.
Girl, yeah, think too much about this. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. B, you done better now? Oh, I'm so sorry about that. I told me I want emergency, so me have to cut quick. But don't worry yourself, man. Next time, sure, you will surely get something. I'm jumping on your hat. Don't worry yourself. No, man, I'm a friend of them. And my friend have an emergency. You know, say me and I come there and I tell her to give me some time with you in her room, but she knock on the door and me a call her all and tell her say something to her. But she get in the bathroom and bed and the water and make nice and I hear me. So me have to just grab her and cut with her because something good on with her, man. Don't worry yourself, honey. I will surely come back next week. Don't worry yourself. Next week you shall see me. Alright. Love it here, yeah? Mwah. If you say that, you get in.
So just like that, Billy?
Just like that. I'm telling about which money. Girl, you don't want to see Kyle money, so in Bailey right now, you look at $900, you want something to take out of it? Him not notice that missing.
Just kill them.
He's not knowing that missing.
Yes. Hello?
Tell me, I tell you.
I don't know, get on call. You something I time for me go now. I time for me go, man.
You should have got to make up and hold this so that 30,000 reach.
Me get one call. And the boy call me, so me I go sleep in out of me yard.
You take it on, yeah, look again. I'm sure I'm different. But I love you here.
Later, friend. What a 900 this girl I give me $200. Yeah.
Yeah.
What you want, man?
Yeah, man, you good?
Yeah, me go a long time not see you.
A long time, I don't see you either now. How you did it?
Me the about the place, man. I show me hardly come a road and something.
Backside, me think you fly out too long, me not see you.
No, man, me there, man. Me there about. You good?
Yeah, man, me good, man. You good?
Me good.
Boy, Tia, to be honest, I tell you how long me and a friend, you know, over years now, you know. You see, you don't look a fat same thing, they want chubby, champion, bubbler. You can't set a link for me.
Me can't go set that the link me. Trust me, Tibi, you don't want none of my friend them. My friend them, I can artist them. They don't match you. They
No
don't
bother
match
with
you.
that,
You need a church girl. You understand? You need somebody more calm, garden work, 9 to 5, and then look away they. None of my friend them no match you.
Tia, come, no matter with that, man. Mine a prank, you a prank me, you know.
I don't prank me, I prank you. Me I tell us you can't manage that the champion there. I mean I talk physically. I mean like mentally or you can't manage.
So all these years I know you. Not even, you don't have no good friend.
Me not have no good friend, all of them terrible. I tell you.
So what, you terrible too?
No. No.
Show me your friends, you know. I'm telling you who you are, you know.
No man, I can't miss one out of a bunch, you know?
One bad apple,
Them
I
a
go spoil the
fire,
whole bunch.
I'm a water.
Just remember one bad apple, I go spoil a bunch. You must have somebody good can give.
I don't have nobody good, but me go and think about it. Me think about it.
Alright.
You're good differently?
Yeah man, me just stay here easy back, you know.
Okay.
Get some fresh air up on the front here.
Alright, me agree on my yard because somebody run there with me.
Alright, many
Yeah?
also.
Alright. I
Have a good
remember,
yourself.
church girl.
Alright, Tia.
Alright.
Don't go over here, yeah, man.
Yes, Joe.
Oh, Chuck. Fire us.
Wagwan.
I'm free now.
Now we come back in the place and have to push out back. Then
Already?
Yeah, man, I tell you. And me no downstairs again now.
Oh, so which way there now?
We get one new place. We just buy one little apartment, you know.
Oh, okay.
So when I think, how you may go check my fair place, you know.
Oh, me did go check one of my friend, man. That's why I'm not around there.
The circle around there a while ago.
Mm-hmm.
Step in the yard and see one boy and bite up in lip. Like, you know, I fear man, I don't say him there. But you must see, say, look how you look you. When you see that man, you tell that man, say, I know you long time, if I didn't want you, I and you would have there. Right?
That's true.
So, we don't know how to bite up and tap up in your face, yo. We don't know them things there now because the money we are paying, right? So we don't want to get into that. But hear me I say now. The place go there. We don't want you pass through from time to time. And you say place. Wipe down, bed, make up and root up back and make up the back because the dust go lay down on the sheet. Right? If a matter of fact you go down you get a new sheet put on the bed. You understand when you know say me a forward in, but what the panic can stay now.
Yeah,
But when me a forward you put new sheet on it.
Change the curtain, the man.
Change up and rearrange the room, wash it for wash and catch it for catch and do what you do. Alright, somebody want you see the place door.
Okay.
Our yard, him down there now wait, you know. You see my take time I put up one like my fixed window. I push up
Oh,
the window.
yes.
So,
yes.
me not get involved in a phone love story. But I work, and I work more, you work to pay more, you know.
So you want me to come look on the place?
But don't want you see the place. No more you see the place. Lord, that man ain't going to fix window, man. And come look on the place.
Alright, come on.
Come look on the place, man. Because I don't want you see it and know where I go.
Alright.
Alright? Come in. Alright, so see there.
Nice.
So, you know, it goes simple, you're mappy, you're sitting there, look the way you do. You can turn on the TV if you're there and bored the same way. You don't mess with the AC or anything. So, you have room and bathroom. You have the kitchen over yourself and everything.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I'm not turn on the light, because I just show you. I'm a sister-in bag, sir.
The sister bag?
Yeah. Them bag are expensive, you know. How much money you pay for that one, eh? Put it down in my room and stuff, in my closet. But I don't see a chest already, you know how things nothing. Yeah, man, the chest already.
So you said just basically me just have to take care of the place.
Take care of the place. So you go and come. You don't have to sleep that. Sleep like that, never show. Right. We just get it, so we just feel it. Just like I see, we just get it as
yes,
is.
so nice. I want a secret room this. So
This
going
no going in a room now.
Okay.
This is my personal room.
Okay.
But this room I see open up, you can go in there. If you're tired and you feel like you're jacked down, you relax on your bed them. And sit in the curtain if you go up in night and make you buy sheets in there. Alright?
Yep.
Alright. So how much money you go on though? Because we go for about 6 months to a year.
6 months, 1 year?
Yeah, so we contract a truck, you know, truck my drive. So some of the time the contract depends. So me drop in, but I love my country, you know. I just do not to go on and I have to go out there, go make the money.
Jamaica nice man.
Yeah, but the dollar's not there.
For true.
Alright.
Well,
How much you want?
me take one how you can pay me weekly? I'm telling a weekly. Much more than a
I'm
week.
pay you a month.
A month.
Monthly is easier.
Okay, I don't know. Every day me I go come here.
No, you're gonna have to come every day. I say it does. We just don't want the dust build up in here, right? Because when you have a place lock up for a while,
So me I go have to
open up the place, wipe down the grid. No man,
like get somebody for
outside good. Don't worry about outside.
just inside.
Just inside.
Wipe down window so.
Wipe down window, curtain, entrance and on dust lane. We just don't want the dust to build up. Because once the dust build up, it also smell funky.
Okay.
So you wipe out the sweet and so when we pay you get the sweet out of the money we pay. So just get everything in the one.
So about 100,000 a month.
100,000. What that will be in the US?
That's about 800 US, I think.
Let me calculate. Which one calculation? 500 US is 70,000, right? So 5 and 2, 7. That's a lot of thing on 5. So about 650
and 650 and 97.
650. So 650, so 670. Alright, just guys, let me just get 7 per month, 700 a month.
So you pay me upfront now?
Yeah, now I look for change for me because actually the first month kind of special. I want to clean up before I left. I'm going to left, you know when I left. Just keep it clean and you know stay here. Just keep it clean. How much check a while ago?
3, so it's a 6. 7. Okay. Okay.
Alright, so one to party go on for me going on. That's why I pay up front. The place might be dirty or whatever, I don't know go on, but it's
So like our party, if they place so extra dirty, you should have more like a tip money.
That's a lot of money, you know. Remember Jamaica pay 16,000. So 4, yeah man. So no worry yourself, mama say, I don't know.
Anyway, so the key for your place?
The key go there, man. What is the key? Yeah.
Alright.
But like I say, just check me tomorrow and we'll get everything else organized up. But more there today, tomorrow. But
So it was nice doing business with you.
Alright, more get some more quick key them cut, you get a bunch of key for yourself.
Alright.
Alright. You know your way, cause for your place. Alright?
Later.
Alright. Tell that boy if you don't reach up in case when he see me, hear?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Don't give him that out of what you get. Oh boy.
You don't see me?
Hush, man.
Hush, man. What's something that me tell you some more from Wendy?
Oh, me can't even get to my yard.
Let them do it?
Yeah.
So your money party.
Huh?
Your money party.
You left the money away. Same place I left money for you. I go on to man.
Yeah, but me
not
tell
like
you
that.
say- me
Every
tell you
minute, you had to tell me this and you had to tell me that. I'm not see no progress.
Baby, what kind of progress I want to see?
Of course.
Of course, what?
Coochie.
Me don't know that right now. That's sick.
So every time, so you going sick.
And you are catch me upon the wrong time.
When is the right time?
The right time, you see, like on I first time out now, catch me upon the last time month. Like it 24 then part you can get there in a 18 part.
How so if your river run long?
No man, a 7 day, but you have to remember you have to give me 1 week for, you know, revive.
Revive.
Yeah.
Feel like you're style this morning.
No, you know me not style. Must stop.
Listen, I tell you something, you know. You see, majority of them women, I do them something. Yeah. Karma will catch them. Yes, karma will catch you, know. When you know a man to do something for you, know, and I pretend like you don't love man, give the man the something, man. Karma will catch you, know. See where you are.
How long me know you?
Good while now.
Where call good while?
Long
Not
time.
even 3 months good.
Then a long time.
Not long enough.
You know what people that live for 3 months? Okay.
Let me tell you something. I want music box over some more for me. You can't get it for me. One of them big monitor boxes. I see it and I like it. You see I get it for me?
A music box.
Monitor box, the one them with the right stuff.
Anything for you, sweetie. Cause you have the big bumper, you know, man. And you have the scissors. Right? I biggest scissors me ever seen in my life. Yeah! Blade, 2 blade in the fat. Yeah, man.
So say I get it for me.
What me just say?
When me can get
Are
it?
you have the scissors? You never see you sitting over there. You
You didn't even ask me when me see it.
Oh, where you see?
Over the veranda.
Cha! We didn't know it's a big veranda.
You didn't know a long time?
Yeah, man. Because there's a plane now. So, hey, I'm going to take it and live a little one day. Come here, one look for me yard.
So go put a little one and carry a big one.
Yeah, I replace and I think, you know, yeah. Them something that we are do.
Right.
But yeah, no.
And when the car box come, you see him there, when the car box come, you say, if you don't left do a yard, you know where you kid you put in here, wait for
Alright,
me, we
so
get
like-
it a day then.
So like how your river run, right? You know, can give me a blue job. Yeah.
Me don't know something there.
You know,
Me don't know if there's something there.
you go down for your knee and pray.
Me don't know what they know. Me don't know.
You don't know that?
No.
You hear about rainbow kiss? Yeah? You don't know about rainbow kiss? Google it.
Me don't know about that one, the man. That's why I say, so when the car box come and get some my cherry one. Yes, that's true.
Rainbow kiss?
Me don't want to hear about that. Come here and get no rainbow kiss for me.
It stop your belly from pain you and it ease on your period. Google it. Yes. And that I run place now. Rainbow kiss. Trump your, you see if you have that pain, you make your man lay down for you. Trump it up here. So if you feel like say you go get between my head and me and get some of that coach there, you want to know how to do rainbow kiss. Just wait till I teeth that boom box and let's say yard. I go and stay there with you in the meantime.
Yeah.
I am going down to the supermarket and buy 6-pack of condom because nowadays, you know, I'm not run risk with my
So
life.
me think of something you go buy for me, you have to have about condom.
No, I have to put on the 6-pack. Yes. Me not run risk with
Alright,
my life.
go on, yeah, go on.
You can that rainbow kiss, you can catch disease too fast.
Yeah man, go on, yeah. When you come back, when you take box and come.
Something you do.
Just left them here now, if me really stay and wait for me.
I like your tongue, and you say that the blowjob.
Me do something there, stop looking at my mouth, go on.
Any female having that do it. Yes. Me no business, whether rich or poor.
No,
Once
go
you have in that
fashion.
life.
Fashion.
What you call
Fashion.
fashion?
A fashion.
So the dildo there were many women over here that fashion too?
Yes.
Okay.
They just have them for style.
So the woman with baby with belly a fashion too?
No, them the one they want it, so they catch it.
Okay. No, me understand what I talk about. You look like you have 1.5 in a belly.
Wow, man, and you put them in there?
Wow, put it
Move,
in there.
move, man, move.
I want to give it to you. I want to put it on the one job for me just have your head. I put it under there. You know
Papa, you get too much
feel
now.
it, feel
No,
it.
me don't want to feel nothing.
Feel it.
Care box.
Mr. Feel it.
So when the care box come,
Alright.
this time I don't have nothing. I said, no man, say this I have whole leaf. Whole leaf you have, yes.
Okay.
Big.
Love you.
Alright, bye.
Yeah. Your hand smell funky though.
Maybe I use it. Yeah, me, yeah. Yeah.
Why pray?
How are you there?
Girl, me dear me yard, I walk one.
You can't meet me outside bamboo tree.
Me to have bamboo tree for 1 hour.
Girl, I want to talk to you, idiot.
Talk to me about what?
Girl, just come out of bamboo tree, man. And I'm come over here, yeah. Don't make me come over there.
Alright, me a found.
Yeah, hello, Toz.
Cause girl, what more?
I get the part of money for you, you know, from
You get the money?
Yeah.
So you don't get
Me use it nice and I come for it.
You will do what?
Me use the money, you know.
Use which money, girl? Are you run down there?
Yeah, me alone.
Now cook.
No.
Me I come down with my money right now. Come and want it bad. Alright?
Yeah.
Come on, come to buy the same phone, I'm going to go woman yard. Look how the big old space. Put it.
What way? How is it? Alia?
I'm going.
Long one, with my girl.
What's the look one now?
Well, let me just look on here and look down there. You still look beautiful.
Sure.
But when you tell my best friend to set the link, you know, she tell me this and that. You know what I say? You is not that the first way to how she describe it.
How should I describe it?
You don't want to come first and this and that and you must start both. You have 10 man on road and 5 at jail and this and
Me?
I be a bad thing she talk about me, know
Me? All the thing about me is if a man like me, a man want me, he must go the extra mile to get me. That's all the thing.
That more you want to go extra mile.
Oh, so you're willing to do anything to me then?
As long as I don't know wrong thing.
Wait, what's wrong?
Well, like send me go thief.
Don't worry yourself about that part. That part they govern. But let me tell you something. You see, for you want the honey, you have to work for it, okay?
At two.
So yes, you want me, you have to work for it.
So me no must want you. Of course want you. A long time want you. A long time want you.
What you can bring to the table?
We can bring to the table. Banana.
Oh, yo, tap this up. I'm on me deal with it. Me expensive, girl. So if you can't give me money, and if me say me want juice or me hungry, and you can't find that, at least that, it not go work. So you see, come good.
Alright, yeah, no. We have to think about it.
You have to think about it.
You think about your side of story and I think about my side of story. And we'll find out what we can bring to the table. We'll find out if you're interested. One time I bring one more and bring come to the table.
Alright, then I hear you. Just make sure you come good.
So give me a number now.
Listen, I don't call me unless you call me.
I mean, you're a new man as well today. Yeah, big up yourself.
Yeah, I'm a new man. Yeah,
Yeah.
man. Yeah, I'm a new man. No banana. Oh, Tara.
tired?
Why?
You tired?
Me tired bad. Look water drip off of me like a sweat. So we say what go on now? Money me come from.
The feet pain, right?
Yes, do that now quick and fast, quick and fast. Jesus.
What's the money?
Yeah. Me am this. So we say go on now, cause girl, all things, all life I treat you.
Life alright.
Everything normal out.
Yeah.
Alright, we are that. You know say what day ya me good on a don't turn name again, Sav. And me see the girl with name Tish. You know what the girl in a
What?
pink tight up tights, Marina, white Marina, and the black slippers. Me say it don't look good. It don't look good, sister. Me have to take one picture about you. See, me have my phone on charge. Me not gonna show you, but one next time me gonna show you. Thanks you look money. Me can get $100.
Thanks.
I can use that start all use that and do a look so cook up look food and so on. I mean can't believe in a cook you don't walk up my belly from my head. Me there still me go take a road, me go buy some local groceries for my house and so on. Me will see you one next time, yeah?
Alright.
What about the sound? Make up yourself.
How long me stand up? How long me be wait for you?
That no long, you know, just not too long call about 3 minutes ago.
You say me fi meet you under the tree. And I call you and tell us me reach how long. And you can't reach. Me supposed to come here and see you. Me don't like wait for people.
I believe for you, say no.
That not nothing to do with me. Me tell you to tell me thirsty. I'm on one true juice right now. One fruit juice.
I don't have no money, B.
That not nothing to do with me. Me tell you say if you want me, everything what me want you have to go find it. Go to the supermarket, you go in there and get one juice, come give me. Me not busy about the money part.
I don't have no money.
Go in there, then catch you. Me need the juice. And that go prove if you want me, you have to go all out for me. You
Well,
can't.
I'm gonna do it, you know. I just show me love and I'm gonna do that,
Just
you know.
make sure.
Don't worry yourself. You approve it.
Hello, brother. I stopped by the supermarket and get a few things for you. I look bought some food and try to deal. You know, say me see your girlfriend do with one other man. Yeah, but I tell her about your brother, you know, hear me. And I want a nice girl for you. Yeah, man. I don't look for you right now and deal them. Yeah, alright. Yeah, be safe. Alright, no problem.
You get it?
You know, must get it, me love you. Remember, say.
So we are now look back so far.
I know, say, 2 dog. I run me down all about bite me. So, what you say? Me love you now.
This is just one tip, so if I ask me to prove if me you can date. But you have more tasks to do. You understand? My man, them have any man that look me, I forgot to go through a five task. I me, one know, so when you come down to the nitty-gritty, you will go through anything for me. Just like me, we go through anything for you.
So you are good. Oh, I just go ask to say.
Yeah, me do anything for you, baby. No worries, girl. Anything.
So yeah, you have to come tomorrow.
Oh, what should I home?
My yard.
Oh, yeah, good. We watch TV and relax and then
Okay, I watch TV.
No, remember, so me tell us, me get on that right now. Me not tell us already. It's not go done yet. Me not tell us already.
So yeah, do.
Me don't know who want to go watch the TV or me you can go on and me go on and go.
Yeah, when you come after that, you can connect up. Alright, you come on.
Alright, come on. Look how long me still over here wait me. I call up his old brought on phone and you would even answer it.
Mama, you don't understand what I'm going on. Me in the town I deal with when me I deal with. Me can't answer phone, girl. What wrong with you? You know the native phone and an iPhone me have?
You feel hype.
What is that going on now?
You feel no go on, me just send me a account check you know.
Okay.
Really and truly, you know.
Well,
but me over here how long man.
Me did a call you for yesterday. For your father, me go in a town. Cause me did want go in a town, go buy one sheet and one pair of pillow. So me didn't want you follow me. But me never
I was
did
busy.
My boss are coming now. So me have to go buy, me have to go buy sheets. Me go buy sheet and oh God, I want pair of pillow.
I reach my lesson one place though.
Money. So what you want me for rich man for?
Me want me to have sense. But there's no way a rich man could have owned a place and you out here, so I would have lived in long time. I would have lived in long time.
I work. You know, mix business with pleasure, that with you.
If they're foreign, you can't get nothing more than 2 pictures. And you can send them off of Google. Where you take this thing for?
Ah, this a girl, I don't know what's wrong with you. But anyways.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah, man. Deal. Then I hear you come from now. Hope you see it.
Yeah, really can't check my friend.
Alright, now we make a run go up on the road, so we link up later, yeah?
Yeah, man, link me later.
Alright, babe.
And make sure you have it something.
B, top pressure, me no be. Me no show you pre already.
I mean, sure you have prayer ready.
Alright. Yeah, I'm going to
Me there.
take care of yourself, here.
Alright.
Big up.
Alia, what make you stress out, Tibi? Tibi sounds so stressed out. Where you pressure man for?
What you mean by when me ask just more for you want me though? You want me, so you have to work for me.
I hope you're not making
money?
a thief, you know.
You're lucky. This
Because you see,
man
you know-
over there in the town, he come for me to man I want tree. Right on the supermarket around the town. And me tell him say me want true juice, you know the big true juice stuff. I tell him that no money, me tell him to anyone if you get it from me, get it, me see come with your team. Me know say a supermarket thing go in and take it up, but that's not my problem. Me get it. And when me want, cause when they want what they want it.
Alia, me not like that. Me don't like that. But you know what? I hear life.
Listen
And
to
a
me
TB life. It's
You know,
alright.
I see you want me down.
Anyways,
And to be want
me want you follow me go sort out on the place. Make up your bed and cook down the
Well,
pillow and
Richmond
something.
place?
Yes, because him a forward in the place. So me need to
Say
fix
my
up
God,
the
they don't go
place.
there.
You love man like a dog.
Girl, man, feel love. If you don't love man, how me have things.
When you can come with me?
Tomorrow.
Now or tomorrow?
Tomorrow. Me I go see TV right now. Cause TV should do some money.
Alright, come on.
Early morning.
Right and early.
On food. Never mind.
I say your bomb man you can catch a fire.
Rich man, of course. Bye.
Rich man, of course, yes. You love man like a dog, you not drive. You know make him man then go carry my teeth and carry you. Miss Cherry! Oh,
Yeah, man.
what?
Yeah.
Oh.
You know what?
You know the red tree chip here?
Not really. No, me don't know chichi.
You want a rugby? A bit of rugby.
Which color you want?
Any color? A baby. I want bakla water.
Cold or hot?
Cold. How much sweet by the way?
150 for you or 150 for water.
Alright. Miss Trina must go on.
Sir, I want this thing.
With the yana.
Alright. I say floor polish. You want to shiny floor, make it look shiny.
No.
How can I walk this shot this up?
You know, so me just
Never
start
change.
up back. I'm gonna buy everything.
So shop to walk now everything that's all night.
You know, if I go and sell what me buy already.
So Wednesday. I want.
With the
Long time.
So if you do take a change out, take the rest of this way you want me. No matter you want me, you know.
Oh yeah, take it. How much more you get? 12,500. And let us 15,000.
We got to keep the change.
Alright.
So let's all go on.
But then I need to talk to you. Alright, Miss Cherry.
Alright.
Oh my
Oh,
God. I need to talk to you. You know me and your friend. For a longer time. Tibi, I want to ask you one question.
Yeah.
Sometimes I see my friend, Alia, with certain things, right? I know, to God say, you're not working now. So where they get the things they might give her, her money?
Why?
I work on the teeth.
No,
I work on the put you out of your way, you know?
You know your friend is no thief. Me no thief. Me no grow them way there, no?
Tibi, I didn't want them about the girl there, you know? I did tell her, say she's no match for you. But you know, listen. Tibi, let me tell her this. I don't like someone go back in her past. But I see she have an ex-man right now. Where they are jail. For thieving.
I lie I tell.
About 6 months or 7 months now. Right? And you see the ex-man where they are jail. When that the man they are jail, you know what mama do? Go look one different man. You see different man she go look. He crash off a bike. He go thief goat. 3 goat the man a carry on one bike. I go uphill. Go down the hill, then go up, then go down and crash. You hear me I tell her?
A dream, a dream.
And I know dream. You know hear about the man where he goat kill. He goat chop off of the bike and run up in the tire.
The black man there.
Yes. Yeah, man. TV, you're my best friend. I don't want nothing with you. I'm a tell you already. Feel me friend, them and I feel.
Well, you know. As far as how me see it, Alia look like a good woman. She not make me do not what me not supposed to do.
Alright.
But me not have it to roll out.
Okay. Okay, so the one me just hear a while ago, she has to see and I pressure you.
No, she not pressure me, man. She good, man. Me and her good.
Alright, TV, just remember, me didn't want you. And nobody go back and call me name.
No, sir.
You never hear. Anyways, you're good though.
You want to pick up yourself?
Alright, me go for the road, but you here?
Alright.
Alright.
Serve! Sell one top shelf there. Curves! I never polish me the one thing still. I threw my best friend. I threw my best friend in. I have a top shelf. Curves!
You know, so out there.
Oh, you don't have none. Woman get knocked on the video. Yes, babe. Me there, man, you good?
Yeah, man.
Glad you come over and see. You must have to miss you.
I'm so glad you come here.
You get something for you.
I get it from now.
Don't worry, Eddie. Remember, they say me have to bring things come to the table, you know, and I have to go the extra mile, so I go the extra mile.
Black.
Good lotion and cologne.
It smells good too, man.
B.
Lovely.
B. So, we'll say, like how we surprise you. I never expect that, you know, we can do something. Oh, your belly hot? You want some tea?
No, man, no, no tea, man.
Well, do something now.
If my belly hot, me, what could have been a problem?
B, come on, man. You can't do so much
You
things.
can't give me a massage, my back and my back a tear off. You can't get a massage, me really come over here for you know.
So, how you know say your belly hot and you come over here, B?
I can't come look for you. Oh, so when me dey on debt that then me not, you know, me not supposed to look for you. You know, want to see me one time, you have to prepare. That's how I try to say.
How long me a hold out? How long now?
How long?
You a hold me out too long. Too much things me get already, bro. You know, since relationship start and all know me can't get no.
You should get to know yourself about it. Then you feel pulling away. I like cologne and lotion still. I like them. So you bet with me?
So me no must bet for you.
Why you bet? You need to understand.
So when me out get the chance to get some.
Next week.
You want me to choose next week me get it for you now?
Come on, yeah, next week I'll get it. I'll get you good too. 4, 5, 6 times.
Alright,
Yes,
I'll take
one it
that.
or 10 times. Any much time you want, you can get it. Don't worry yourself.
Make sure
I'll get it, man.
Make sure you mark your words, you know.
Yeah, man, I'll get it. True.
Alright, so.
I'll get it, man. I'll get it. I'm going to go and relax with it.
Yeah, man, relax, relax. Be anything for you, we must have to go extra mile.
I'm going to relax.
I'll look out something. Yeah.
Yes, curry chicken. Here, curry
Alright.
chicken.
Yes. So anyways, girl, you just want hot up, so
Just a hot of how?
yeah, we know. So this sheet is up on the bed already. So what will happen is that I wash it, right? So it's the money of the man hen done because we have one little things to buy. So we are gonna put
That one, that and that one, that.
yeah. So you make up this, I'm gonna make up that, right?
I don't want to work already. I don't want to show up business.
But me Jesus, watch it, me go buy a king pillow and a queen a double sitting. The pillowcase can go away. And then we have a curtain to put up and sitting.
So,
Me the kind of wet when you in the marriage.
so me no see man. Hey man, you don't show me.
Oh, so man, make you come and come help me.
No girl, me just help because I am a friend, but 3 times say the man I go there, but me not see the man, so you know.
Me not see you either. You love man too much.
Man, if you love me, tell that over and over.
You can't fast car. Me have to tell the man to then sit me and do already. Yeah, let's just sit there like a kitchen cloth.
Anybody? No, we ever buy it.
And cheap, it's cheap. Me take up in the car. We didn't have to name one burger out of that the money though. So,
See cheap shit, that chicken kitchen part.
and if you're queen size, you should have buy.
Some man have sheep, man, you could buy 2, you could buy 4 pillow. Very much a share.
Well, so you go. The buy where the money could have buy. I can't strip it to the property. I don't understand how you look, man.
This is me, tell me job, a house, a maid job then there. So the man in a big house, have to hire a maid. You understand?
I'm sorry I never the same sheets, but we have to work with it. So you can put this like that.
So then let me go with me.
Alright, this alright.
So when we do air freshener there, to sweeten up the place.
One is a living room is spray by itself. Mama! What the fuck you did? This girl. Alia, I'm gonna really quiet to forget.
No man, I go my house and sleep out.
Remember say you're on TV there now.
So we have to
Yeah, my friend
the
there.
business about TV.
Oh.
Yeah, one time boy when I have no money, a rich man me a feature right now watch.
So me just sit Alia. Me ask you one question. You really make Tibi a thief too? Tibi now work. You understand what I say? So that means say in the thief car con give you.
That not nothing to do with me. In find in one my cherry, you must take care. You never know so when you ever hear things, you have a queen bee. The male one you have to go out to find things in order to come in to produce the honey. Right? So TV are the male bee, me are the queen bee. So I have to go out to find things to produce to get my honey, understand?
Alright.
Yes.
Alright. You see you? Me say, hey. It's alright. Oh God. I'm tired.
I don't see me, want to see someone that come in, so me go get my yard.
You know, I know. Let me talk to you as a friend. You know, say if you stop some things that you do, you already talking to TV, right?
Yeah.
Stick to TV.
Yeah.
What?
Let me talk to you as a friend. You know, if you wise up and stop being a man clown.
Boss. Good. Well.
Well, no good though.
Yeah, me good. I come for you do the finish up.
So you get the sheet and things.
Yeah, man. I'm spread the money. I'm sure you.
No man, face your need a good man.
Yeah.
So
Oh, this is my friend Alia. She come help me spread the bed and stuff.
so alright, when I give you a pay, I give you a tip to buy yourself a drink. Alright?
Yes. If you tap in, call me. We can see this apartment and ask if you want money.
Yes, so it's okay, so it's no point to market by your house.
And this a house I run, the man have it. The man have other property.
That's wonderful.
First or something.
Look how introduce me.
Me just introduce
Wait, introduce me properly. Introduce me properly.
Mama, how can you feel yourself?
Me, because I have like a look sexy
Yeah.
right now.
So how was the sale?
Well, you know, so I go walk, you know.
Yeah.
And I mean, me go stay. 6 months, blow fast, quick, but I drive.
Here is the bathroom.
Yeah.
You can't come have a seat and we chat liquor.
No, you know, I'm tired right now. It's the rest I want wall. I don't think
What kind of restaurant also?
No.
So you can see one nice girl that invited you
No,
to chat and you don't want to chat.
I have a female that I've been courting
So you can be
from
with
the oversaw.
Well, you can't
She's soon the other way forward.
She not have to know.
You must, you know. You see my type of girl. I look at itsy bitty.
That has nothing to do with me.
No, because I'm talking nice what I'm saying to you. But nothing wrong with it. Good. But yeah, everybody have them pick a book, alright?
Me might take a bush too, but...
Alright, so it was nice meeting you.
Yeah, man.
And we make your friend get the money to give, alright?
Likewise.
Alright.
No, what you make of you? Wait. What you want to forget it? About the man that
No,
again.
garbage.
The man say, the man I walk on my come. The man say every who they take a bush, say look at me and
You know, so me hear the little talking one time, I wonder what kind of long argument in a hotel with the man.
the man now have no sense. He must know that again. You know, like man.
Your face
Then
thick.
you see such channels and what? I'll remember by
You hear what the man say? The man say every who have them take a
in
bush. So maybe you...
himself.
Listen what
Me
I
go
say.
find me thick community matching pictures.
What that's supposed to mean?
No man.
Alien, let go of father.
What I go talk to the man? The man
This
say,
is what
"Man,
me
give
say.
money to give me." I don't want to talk about. What I go talk to the man?
Alien, let me tell you some of this. You know something I like your dirty style, girl?
Girl, me
Every man you see you want.
no, get the facts straight.
Alright.
Yeah, no, me don't want them more than things, more than money.
Mama go look work.
No, girl, let me know work right.
You'll soon get where you are.
All I need to do is sit down and look sexy and look pretty. Me sorry.
Anyways, I want to show this and then we're ready. Me tell the man so we are
Yes,
leave.
so go get your money. I want your fool like. Hurry up, man.
Fire us.
Yeah. I'm here forward. What's going on?
Man, tell some ready to leave, so I don't know if you have.
Alright, so like for your friend, there must be a lot of
Alright.
Big money, big money, big money.
How much them start paying the account now, but not for extra change. When you got enough money for me,
Yeah.
give for an extra change. Alright? Alright, sir.
So where you put my fingers? Give no, an 100 and deal. A 300. No, a 300.
This is what me I said. You're the uptown. I have be like some ghetto girl.
Yeah, no, so me get them. 300 and deal for give me.
Remember other day when you have $900? You know what you do?
You know what I do?
With $200, let's go.
Yes, sir. Me.
No money. I want some money.
Oh, we are get money from me now, right?
That's why I need to find a work or you find somewhere to get you. See me see one restaurant is full of money.
I like that,
You
sir.
can't believe them.
I know you have to say I'm anything to up in mind, no plans.
What? You don't do anything to say?
You know must love you.
You love me. How do you know you have to want remote? You put in one shirt and you go around it. And remember around them, you go from look at my friend work around it again.
Yeah.
So when I knock on the door, tell them there's something around there. And they just happy and they said, when
Sure, this is alright. Alright, come on. Come on. We're trying to set up in a beef. I'll show me love you, you know. I want.
How would that? Oh, the same stickers in there today?
Yeah, believe something.
Don't trust that, you know. Never.
You hear me say?
I soon forward.
Okay.
Don't tell her say no, I work out and she'll come home. Just in case. Yeah man, I mean, where there? Calling Kai over here, yeah. Yeah man, forward right now.
Don't move. Surrender some boy. Where money there?
Which money? I don't know money, man.
What do you mean I don't have money?
So Tickers, after you tell us you look high, you like high.
No, me never tell so. Me never tell so. Me never tell so. Me never tell so.
Yo. Go feed money now?
I can't trust people. Tell you, you know.
You have to come in. Make sure you get all that money. You hold it on money if you get.
Money, it's the money, man.
Alia, take up them there. No shoot, boss, no shoot. I don't know a real gun.
Let me send a real gun. Don't
Our remote.
move. Come back, Kesson. Don't move.
Our remote.
Our remote, take out the mask. Don't move.
Look, boss, our remote. I just woman want some money. And me say, yeah, come.
But just give her some money a while ago. Hello, don't ramp me. Put it on my shoot, you know. Tell her to shoot her.
Aliyah, what this you do?
Me don't know what.
Tibi.
Me don't know what one.
Don't ramp me shoot you. Are your friend this out?
You know, just get money.
Me don't get no money.
I'm my best friend.
She take the money. That's what she do. She take the
Me
money.
give you $300.
Hello. You carry man to come rabbi with remote.
Tell us that this time never did not go work out.
You too fool. If I did you
Tibi,
work home.
you really make Aliyah leave
Hello.
you straight.
Me?
Hey, I couldn't get the place bloody. Right? This right now, leave the place. I'm going to go show you, but leave the place.
Can't leave a place.
Leave the place.
So where you run go?
Man said to leave the place.
So where you run for? Man can't shoot you.
Ferris, I'm sorry. Like, me never know some my friend them stay so.
I'm not left it. Always have this here. You're lucky. You see your friend them, you have to be careful. And money they say they come for the one could have dead here, so I'll feel your friend the next one could have dead too.
So Ferris, what?
You know why I called you a while ago? Because Uno gone and then Missy she go knock at the door and I say let her in. So now me think say it's a booty call now she come for come seduce me. And me tell her if I'm even when I go in the bathroom, I tell her I'm not into that right now. So you see now when as we open the door now, because she left something in here. Left for up in thing come look for when in to open the door now. As she message running with gunman stick me up. I think so she come to seduce me to try to get a piece of money, walk off with some money. But me no. So I call her to talk to her. Now I want a bigger issue that.
Ferris, me apologize.
So if you did have a real gun, maybe you could have actually analyze I. Hard working.
You need to report it though.
You never know. We know not too much reporting. But you need to talk to them. Sleep on the same side. Because if I tell some of my link them go sink them. Alright?
Alright, Ferris. As me say, sorry about it.
Not say a word, man. Not say a word. Not say a word. The one that could have dead like a bird. Not say a word. Can't leave him start sleep. I'll get him pocket. Because I run too rough.
There what?
Yeah.
You don't know say you me a come check.
Yeah.
How me hear say I go on for cause but I not hear say they lock him up a wagwan.
You have one girl named Aliyah. We must spend the money on the boy teeth and the way for something.
So what? Hold on, me not understand. Why no TV girl or in just
First
thief kind
was
want thief?
vehicle. She want much things out of life. She must do it.
Oh, so one of them red girl, little girl there.
Let her say that.
Okay. But cause boy don't know better than that man, he don't know say girl no make him do certain and
buy
certain
some groceries
things.
to the RD in a prison. Some grocery.
Can't believe cause boy, me can't believe cause
I bet him
boy.
a idiot sometimes.
Disappointed in him man. You know so family no grow so. What kind of style me a thiefy girl? Say Betty girl leave one
It's like she
him.
put him so. I'm not lying.
I'm gonna see a girl too.
I want fat girl. Fat.
Bigs.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy oink oink. Boy, me not gonna believe this, you know, but
Say not look for him
when I go up there,
tomorrow.
me can come up there with you tomorrow. And you know what else too? Me want to see that the girl there with my cousin a thief. Cause my cousin a grow so. Me want to see that the girl there. I feel see that the girl there. All if him big like a
The girl style me on top of it too, you know.
style you.
Yeah.
This up my cousin you.
Yeah.
Which part she there now?
I don't know what's over yard.
Over yard.
Yeah.
Go circle right now. No. Girl, you see right now? You don't know which part of friend come out, you don't know chatting right now, you know. After me I deal with my cousin they are jail and him they are road. We up, you know what our friend live down there we are go right now.
Show your spoon.
Yeah, fire us. Me say, did I call me? Where did I say?
Oh, you know, sir, me go fly up back out of the place and think, but this time, me not think so me go no longer need a service, right?
Why?
Based upon the events them that take place last night, I don't feel, you know, sit right with me. Me get up this morning and me realize I could have analyzed to somebody last night, and if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't in that situation. You know what I mean? So because of that, it just hard to really say me go further, something like that. You
But
understand?
fire us. And I'm here car site, you know. I'm tell you already, so I'm sorry about whatever
But
happened.
this time when I go, I go for 3 years. So actually, me go make you stay at the place and this and that. But now me have to get somebody else. Alright? Alright. Enjoy your life, man. One time when I come down, I carry something for you still. Alright? Still have my number. I'm going to change what I lock them so you can dispose of the key them that you have already. Alright? So can we go? Yeah. But it was nice working with them. I'll send you money still, so no worries. I know it's not your fault directly, but indirectly, it's a next problem. You know what I mean?
Alright, fire.
So know your friend them. That's how it go.
Alright. Take care.
Alright.
Nothing at all. Right now, I'm not even in one good mood. Me I tell you, Pinky. I'm not in one good mood.
What do you mean by me say come on
Dirty friend Alia what me have. All the one
Hold on.
TV.
Which Alia? Fat Alia?
The thick girl where you always see me a walk
Oh,
with.
that the girl there?
Yes. And Tibby, you know Tibby, my best friend
Yeah, me
from
know
school
TV.
days.
Me know TV.
Jesus save. Me say me get one word. For 6 months, 6.5 months, you know, where fire Russell have a big house around the road, you know, me a clean, keep and care the man house. And Alia and Tibby last night go rob the child attempt to rob the man.
Alia tell. God know.
Can you tell me say like me I tell you? Me see a serious sit me and tell you, and Tibby like an idiot come with remote and a shirt and not even real gun. Eh?
So hold on, what man say now? What fire say?
One Alia, I'm just the on the phone. The man say he ma fire me. Basically, he ma go back and he not gonna use my service no more. Tell me, I'm a little working, I'm a little hustling, you know.
So what plan?
I don't know what plan for me. But I want to see little dirty girl Alia. Mr. Right now, Mr. Me that nah body, you know.
Girl, me say long time me like that they girl do. Can you make my cup of tea coat and jump off a bike and like that the girl is on tall like the fat dirty girl.
Me a figure tell you their cousin. Me say, me don't know more me friend with Alia, me I tell you. Me say right now, me say, I'm friend me and friend she. Because me can't believe.
When somebody comes in and tell us that the girl is a good friend, I think I like me there and tell us feel like something we will talk about.
Right now, me believe you. Me believe you, Pinky, because guess what? Alia disappoint me. Me little hustling. Other day, me not working, you know. 7-8 months ago, me not working, you know.
Alia not a good friend, girl. Alia bad mind. Maybe through Alia not getting work. Alia bad mind. Alia is not a good friend.
She look him man and through the man now one time she's trying to set up the man. And the man couldn't analyze them. This morning me could have the ball set to me dead Alia. We can't take this no more.
So I plan to go to all situation.
I over yard no one go right now. All it to be him. Me I hear back from him from last night. Me I call him phone, he not answer. Call him, me really care about, you know. Nothing I shame me, dirty boy, shame. Shame me, shame.
I'm sorry, say that earlier happened too.
But wait,
Anything happened to
I have to go to Frank TV. No, wait. Our yard no one go.
Alia is nobody, girl. Alia just go like saying too much. Alia want too much man and that war. I don't know which
She
part
can't be
she
saying
take,
her man she want her money she want.
Which part? Money!
When you wait to look money she tell her drive car up the house, baby.
And that means Alia like to capital what
You see things say 10 grand of money and 5 grand where man they give her. Upset my spirit, man. I know me can't believe say Alia set me up against.
What give me 10 grand? No, we don't want to know which money I collect 10 grand from.
No come and say
And you wait, me so deal with your case as a friend. What you know about me?
Girl, I want to
What you know about me?
My cousin keep going and jump off a bike and dead. I want to
You're a cousin fool. Your cousin want me, so he must provide for me.
Which part are you in?
Oh, so I got to go and jump off a bike and dead if he don't want me.
Girl, you know why I'm
Oh, he don't want me.
You know
He
why
ain't
I'm
grip and no, I ain't grip in my roll and turn can't get me. And first of all, you know, and that day when me go on the man here, when you call me go, how much money me get?
the man get $200 man give me for me get $300.
Nah, talk about that, the money there. That's how money 900 and you also me get 2 hours.
I think
So 10 grand, and
I thief your thiefy.
you are the witness.
Let me tell you something.
Listen to what
It is not about this. Me get the little work from Fire Us and me can't believe say you try TB in your dirty life and make
say he want me. I didn't have any money, so I tell him where the money is. So I tell him where the money there. And that me do. I tell him where the money there.
I am me can't believe say me and your friend and you do that. I mean right now, you know, Fire Us call me say he no longer in the service now. So me out of a work, you know, so you have to go mind me now.
Who for mind
you better go make
Well, them the 100,000 away my gear there a month. That's 6.5 months. $6,500,000 plus bonus. Almost $1 million. You're not for it. Shut up. Shut up. My girl, I'm fired.
You make Tia
You're not
bad.
bad.
Tia alright. Tia don't alright.
Yeah, it's fine.
Tia
When
better-
Tia broke and the man over there beat out his nastiness and me give her money. And no, me not chat too much. Tia alright. When the man over there dealt with her and me run over there go save her.
So you never
So
tell
you
that
don't know
girl.
nothing, you know.
But Tia never tell me that.
You're a cousin now. Not your cousin. You're a best friend now. Your best friend now no money to give me and you want money. So me tell him what the money that him get to give me. And I do that. And he go remove. Me think it's going to be real, but so you go.
See you, Alia, and one thing we can tell you. Your lucky things the Fire Us never press charge against you and Tibby. Or he could have shot on her because he's a licensed firearm and come out of it, you know. Because in a man also not there. You understand what I say? But you see you now, you make me lose my job. Me lose my work. So you see right now, me lose a friend too. Because me think you are my friend. You is no friend.
Girl, you know, say idiot. You're going like a you, me rob. A Fire Us, me rob. The man saying don't want me and me want him money, so me fire the man to get him money, give me. Like, you know, no sense here, man. No sense in that.
You come on, I am my friend now.
Alright, girl.
What? Me don't want no friend for now, no. You think now no mind me? I'm man me like. I'm money and me friend. Me don't want no friend for now, no man. No can't mind me. Hello. How are you then? Right now, me hot and hungry and I want some KFC. I go buy it for me. Get one 9-piece more. I want pound. Alright. What's that man to do? I 12 o'clock now, you know. So I get it by 1:30, 1 o'clock. Because you know, say line I go long. Alright then. Alright, darling. Alright, I don't want for no friendship.
drag you out, you know?
Who's you?
What you mean, who is me?
I'm a family, you know?
Who you want again? What do you want?
You come bout, you me come bout. All you feel me tell you with my cousin got thief when you thief.
What happened?
And get locked up now. And the rest is free on the road.
Let me ask you a question now. What does that have to do with me?
Are you a man?
I did my man.
Did your man?
And furthermore, he is not my man because he never get under my foot, so I'm my man. And they look me.
But he must spend money for you.
You shut up. Listen to me. And you me understand me don't understand for a long time now. So me I you were on come like a big and bad boy. No.
Yeah.
You him come to me. Same like me. Him say me money. Me say anywhere if you get it from, you get it coming out there, broke man. So I'm got TV. Tell me go give me. Let me ask that question. Them got TV.
But the man want you. Are you telling him that anything he can do for you get something and a thief and got thief? Are you a call?
If I want somebody, and if person you want you to meet their standards, don't go fight. Back off. Him not decide to back off. Him say me want. So me want me come with consequences.
Oh, really?
Understand? Yeah, so I don't know where you coming like you want to attack me for
You see as me did then I move for your thump up somebody right now.
Back up
you so lick out your so. Oh, you see me my cousin that jail on the road free.
No, big bad and balls. Me face a lick.
You see cause of that me come. You see cause me can't find.
Lick, cause me can't find.
Can't find me.
Whoa, no me put a gun right now.
Don't worry yourself.
You want move up fire.
Don't worry yourself. The clock I think your time soon come.
If you never know how to look hungry.
Your time soon come. Me hope you think that when team not there not bad.
TV.
You don't know what happened to me already?
Oh, my film,
The mission failed last night. I don't come talk with you no goddess man. And then for my friend I move like she a clappy.
Stop. Make that bother you and worry, babe.
What do you mean by? How me go get money? Y'all give me money?
Better days ahead.
Ahead where?
We soon come to
Me tell you where better days day. It's like me say we do anything for me now. One bring shot normally come right in that spot, one go in bank on this one. When the people they occupied, go in, take one a bag of money and carry.
Girl, you don't know say I don't go hospital me and go right now.
Why?
You don't know say TB get shot
Where
up.
say?
It's him, girl. But my cousin boy they in jail right now.
Jesus
10 TB go rob
Christ.
brains chalk. You don't know say TB get shot. Can him up. Go rob brains chalk with water gun. Big man bullet then game. See they know don't hospital in there. I don't know if he's dead in alive or what, but I know say don't then there. They can him up. I don't them me around go no car. Then people just call me and me I go and say then you know a hospital. Don't them me around go right now. Me talk to me can't eat. Me can't eat.
Alright, me hear you. Hello, AJ. You know hear the one? TB that shot. I want my cousin just tell me a while ago, Taylor, food cousin. Same just that shot. I'm girlfriend cause it. So I don't know why you're asking that. You know? The man rob and thief and all then something there, vehicle, car and then something there. And this one girlfriend you know? The Alia, she same one. As she I cause it. When that shot. He robbed, you know, him thief work for something for the girl. That she don't want to work for nothing at all. No, I feel it that no me. I feel it. I'm glad to know you know. Because I know how I manage that. No, I'm glad to know you. That the shot that no. I tell her just tell me a while ago she gone there now.
Oh God, Timmy! Timmy, look up one, yeah, Timmy. Who that?
I'm a girl. My must be a still friend. I don't know ya, but I'm myself and I want to suffer. You over here. Bobo, me and you no longer friend. What one?
Alia, what you want?
What you about for?
Alia.
I want. Girl, me say, me get a new man. You tell us something.
Alia, what you want?
Me come check you out what happen.
Alia, come out of my place, Alia. Alia, me tell us me is no longer friend.
Girl, stop behave like you're an idiot. Now you're friend for a longer time, so friendship I can't mash up. Over one little stupid accident, over one idiot rest of money, idiot.
You see, if I never want thing, Alia,
What?
if I never want thing, me unalive you and feed your body to alligator or something. Alia, Alia, make them can alive, Timmy.
What happened? What happened?
Alia, stop going like you cannot know.
No, but what?
Alia, you send Timmy go for robbery.
Me?
Alia, unalive him.
Me no know about that. Me
Alia,
no
me
say
what?
grab no way.
Alia,
Me no say go
Alia.
no way.
your attitude, Alia, you don't have no remorse to nothing whatsoever, Alia.
Alright,
First, you make leg off for me.
I don't tell what me do. Where want to do?
First,
Me no
Alia,
say
you
no
make
way.
man, you make your one man there jail, prison. The man gets sentence. His second man, your second victim, Alia. You make him man go rob the old man round the road, goat pen, and thief 3 goat. 3 goat. And as he reach down the hill, down the sign crash. I know Tibi, your third victim, Alia, he can't go so. He can't, Alia, come out of my place.
Oh, so you really make this much of a friendship?
Alia, me and Tibi grew up together like brother and sister.
I miss you. You didn't hear what me say?
A big woman.
You didn't hear what me say, Tibi?
Are you?
You listen what me
Don't
say?
worry yourself. You're there. I come. Come out of my place. Come out of my place.
Don't not shoot me.
Come out of my place.
No, you shouldn't lock the door. You shouldn't lock it.
Timmy!
Yeah, man. Glad to reach to the NI show still, and I mean, enough appreciation for the support over the years that you have done and have give to us, you know what I mean? Because without the viewers, then, you know, work, you know what I mean? So continue telling friends to tune in, you know what I mean? It's a movement, taking its time though. Moving slower than usual, than I thought it would have done, but anyway, as long as it a move, we give thanks, you know what I mean? Slowly but surely. Yeah, man, so I would like to big up Lydia Brown, you know what I mean, and her family. Them dropping at the place, you know what I mean? Big up Hyena, Black Hyena, you know, have a Clark store, you know what I mean, in over there in New York, you know what I mean? But we soon give you some more details where you can find everything in a further projects. But with us half of the head, we just I say, you know, big up to the people them who show support, the real fans them. Big up the father, same way, you know what I mean? I remember his name directly, but as long as a Brown, you know, you got a Brown family. You know, big up the whole of the Brown family. Big up, burn it down to the ground. Give thanks for the support. I mean, and big up everybody out there, you know what I mean, that been supporting from that time till this time for just come idea a long time. We still really appreciate you guys, you know what I mean? Because we will give you the strength to push forward, you know what I mean? So whoever Earth Strong today, bless up on Earth Strong. Whoever anniversary today, pick up on the anniversary. Who do no graduation what day yesterday, pick up on the graduation, to make it to somewhere, you know what I mean? Give thanks, you know what I mean? So we're up on the road, I put in some work as usual, you know? Easy to say than done, but anyway, we're getting it done. Alright? So, enough love out there. Enough love all the time. Alright? Let's go.